So Impressive is looking for that lead today, and so too is Questing. And Questing goes on with it. So Impressive second to her inside. Just in behind now, it's Grace Hall, who pushes on through in between horses. On the outside in Lingerie, races in fourth. At the back of the pack, it's Sea Island down inside her, and caught wide indeed. Bumping there was Via Villaggio, along with Uptown Birdie, who took the worst of it. In the meantime, it's Questing on top. Questing to set the pace here as they race into the backstretch one. So Impressive down inside, Grace Hall alongside, and in Lingerie. So the coaching club winner leads the way. 3 Grade 1 winners right in behind. Grace Hall of the Delaware Oaks. So Impressive of the Mother Goose. In Lingerie of the Black Eyed Susan. Those 4 in this all-star field in the Alabama. 5 or 6 lengths back now to Via Villaggio, then Sea Island. And at the back of the pack, Uptown Birdie. A grueling half mile here for Questing. 46 seconds flat as they move for the half-mile pole. Questing continues to pound out these grueling fractions. Grace Hall still right there, running along in second. In Lingerie on the outside. So Impressive at the rail, rounding the far turn here at the Old Spa. 3/4, 109 3. Can Questing keep up this brutal pace? She's still out there by 2. Here's in Lingerie moving to second. And So Impressive is back to third. And Grace Hall has tailed off into fourth. And then it's Via Villaggio as Questing turns for home. The mile up in 1:35 flat, and Questing still going strong. Opening up here, 5-length lead. Leaving in Lingerie, back running in second, So Impressive third, and they're coming down to the finish. A spectacular, exhilarating performance by Questing to win the Alabama by 8. In Lingerie was second by another 8. Via Villaggio was third. So Impressive fourth.